Outsource your accounting. Accounting is the backbone of any business. Our accountants are experienced and well qualified to take care of your requirements. We offer custom-made plans for startups and also train the promoters or directors on cloud-based accounting platforms. Accounting is an art of recording transactions of financial nature on day-to-day basis on a chronological basis. Every business must prepare and maintain an up-to-date books of accounts, which is a requirement of law as well as modern-day necessity to comply with tax laws. The size of the business does not matter, and the legal compliances are applicable in the same manner to all. The payment of advanced taxes, TDS and GST is based on the proper accounting of the business. Our services of outsourced accounting are unique and designed in a way so that you get more time to do your business and not the accounting of the business you own. Our accountants are well trained and supervised by the well experienced and professional team so that we deliver you accurate and tax efficient accounting for your enterprise. Just visit our website www.setindiabiz.com. Key point on accounting of your business. Book of account is to be maintained at the registered office of the company or LLP. Almost similar provision is in Section 34 of the LLP Act 2008 concerning LLP. Number 1. Legal provision. Section 128 of the Companies Act 2013 requires that every company shall prepare and maintain its books of account and other relevant books and papers and financial statements for every financial year, which give a true and fair view of the state of the affair of the company. Number 2. Books to be preserved for 8 years. A company or an LLP is required to preserve the books of accounts, relevant papers, vouchers and other accounting records, bank statements, invoices, registers etc. until 8 years. And in case there is any legal proceeding concerning accounts or tax, then records to be preserved until the conclusion of such proceeding. Number 3. Punishment for non-compliance. For any non-compliance of Section 128 of the Companies Act, there is an imprisonment for a term which may extend to 1 year or with fine which shall not be less than Rs 50,000, but which may extend to Rs 5 lakh or with both. In case of LLP, the penalty for contravention of Section 34 is Rs 25,000 to 5 lakh payable by LLP, and for designated partner it is Rs 10,000 to 1 lakh. Number 4. Place of maintaining account. Book of account is to be maintained at the registered office of the company or LLP. The board of directors may decide to keep and maintain the books of account at any other place in India. However, such a decision must be intimated to the ROC in form number AOC 5 within 7 days. In case of LLP, the books must be maintained at the registered office of the LLP. Number 5. Responsible person. The primary responsibility for maintaining the books of account is on the board of director of the company or the designated partners in case of LLP. However, in case of non-compliance of law, the managing director, the whole-time director in charge of finance, the chief financial officer of the company, and in case of LLP the designated partners are held responsible. Number 6. Finalization of accounts and audit. At the end of the financial year, final accounts need to be prepared, which results in the profit and loss account and the balance sheet for the fiscal year. The books of account need to be signed by 2 director or designated partners. In case of companies, the books must be audited by the statutory auditors of the company, and in case of LLP, audit is required when turnover crosses 40 lakh. Correct method of doing tax compliance in India. Do accounting. Approve the tax working. Pay tax on time. File return of TDS and GST. Documents necessary for accounting and tax compliance. Invoices or bills raised during the month. Purchase bills or invoices of services availed. Sale or purchase returns. Debit and credit notes. Detailed statement of all bank accounts. Cash book with vouchers and evidence. Any other information of financial nature.
Subscribe and click on the bell icon to get corporate updates from Setindiabiz. Setindiabiz. Business begins here.